Unit 1 Indian Financial System. An overview. JAIIB Principles and Practices of Banking. Module A. Financial System.
Page 1.
It is a structure available in an economy to mobilize the financial resources from surplus sector and allocate and distribute it to various other sectors that are in need of funds. This is done in the form of various financial products and instruments offered by financial intermediaries such as banks, financial institutions, mutual funds, non-bank finance companies, etc. Composition of financial markets. The financial market comprises of A. Money market, B. Debt market, C. Foreign exchange market, and D. Capital market. In A. Money market includes call or notice money, treasury bills, term money, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, intercorporate deposits, repurchase options, REPO, commercial bills. In B. Debt market, this includes government securities, both central and state governments, bonds issued by financial institutions, PSUs and corporate securities. Under the role of regulators in the financial markets, we have Reserve Bank, which is the central banking authority, SEBI, SEBI, which is the capital market regulator, IRDA stroke PFRDA, which is the insurance and PF regulator. Under Reserve Bank, we have regulation of money expansion, supervision over banking system, management of government debt, banker to government, lender to banks, money market regulations. Under SEBI, we have control and supervision over equity and debt markets, supervision of stock exchanges, brokers, investment bankers. Under IRDA, PFRDA, we have regulatory framework for insurance business and pension business, supervision over insurance business and pension business, framing rules for insurance companies and pension funds. Intermediaries. There are a number of intermediaries that include commercial banks. These banks include A. Public sector banks, B. Private banks, C. Foreign banks, D. RRBs, E. Cooperative banks. Their main role is to accept deposits for lending and investment. Non-banking finance companies, NBFC. These companies are licensed and supervised by RBI. They raise money from public for lending purposes. Primary dealers, that's PDs. These deal in government securities in primary as well as secondary market. They provide a ready-made market for government securities. Financial institutions. These are development finance institutions that raise long-term funds and provide funds to long-term projects. Equity and debt markets. Corporate securities are issued in the form of shares, bonds, debentures. To provide liquidity against these securities, the capital market plays an important role. Many of these securities are quoted at stock exchange. The intermediaries and instruments used for this purpose include the following: stock exchanges. SEs are approved by SEBI. SEs provide clearinghouse facilities for netting the payments and security deliveries. These clearinghouses guarantee payment and deliveries.
Page 2.
Brokers. Brokers are intermediaries between the buyers stroke sellers of securities and SEs. They are approved by SEBI and individual stock exchange to operate on a stock exchange. Investment bankers or merchant bankers. They provide facilities for raising funds by the corporates. These services include underwriting advisory services. They are licensed by SEBI. Foreign institutional investors, FIIs. These are foreign funds authorized by SEBI to invest in Indian equity and debt markets through stock exchange. Depositories. They hold securities in demat form issued by the corporates, maintain account of depository participants. Mutual funds. They pool resource of small investors and invest in stocks, debts and securities. Registrars. They maintain records of share and debenture holders.